Where am I? Okay. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, where's the other one? Look! Where did okay, very big. Okay. Hi guys. Okay, we planned something to do. So I think it's your favorite thing to do. I know that. It's craft. So who likes craft? Me. I love craft. Done. Okay, so today we're gonna show you how to make ninja blade or ninja star. So this is one of the best things that you can throw around and play with. So let's see what happens. But before that, let's do a subscribe and like button challenge. So what you have to do is you have to subscribe our channel with your pinky finger. Can you do it? Just try. I'll count till 5 and let's see how many can do it. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Then it's awesome. Now let's do like button challenge. You should press the like button with your ring finger. Okay, so let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Then give yourself a clap. Okay, now let's actually go to the video. Let's go.
Welcome to Little Fingers Nandu Devik. Woohoo!
So to make this ninja blade, we need a star. We need 2 papers of your own choice. So I took blue and light green, like pistachio color, because it looks good together. And if you want to use other colors, it's your choice. I use this color. So let's see how to make the ninja blade and star. So simple. So first, let's take one paper, this back, and let's we have to cut this in a square shape so we get the right perfect size. So what you have to do is take the corner of this and slowly fold it into a triangle. Slowly. Then you have to fold like this if you want the correct shape. Right here. Don't think that I am making a boat, okay? I'm not making a boat. Okay, now we have to cut with scissors. But when you use scissors, you should have the proper adult supervision because you never know when this finger gets cut. So you should have an adult supervision. So let's cut. Slowly cut this. Slowly. I'm really bad at cutting, so okay. Finished. Wow, perfect square. Awesome. Okay, now we have to do the same thing with the other paper. So I have cut out the 2 square shapes like this. Now the next step is all the folding part. So don't worry. Okay, let's do it. So let's take one paper. I'll take this one. And what you have to do is take this side. You will get like this shape, right? Like this. Fold it this side and take this and slowly you can do this. Just fold this. Okay. Just firmly fold it. So this, I'm just gonna press it. Okay. See, I made the perfect square like this. So next you have to do is take this part slowly and just fold it till the line where we folded first. Then let's do the other part. Turn like this and slowly. Now what you have to do is take this part together. Done! Now put like this. This and this. Now let's do the same thing with the other. I'll show you one more time. This, fold it like this. See? Done. So we have finished folding this. Now we finish this. This is opening. Now what you have to do is we have to fold the same thing with the blue paper. Okay, done. Now let's stay this. Now we have to open the paper. See, you get like this triangle shape. What you have to do is take this part of this and put it as black. Put it up, and you have to make sure that it's folded in this line. So, this up. Okay, now put this down. So up and down. Makes sense, right? Now for the next one, it looks like this. See? Okay, now let's do it the next one. Now in the last time we put it this as up, but this time we have to put this as down. So this is only making the complete. This is only the thing that you have to focus. So you have to put, if you put one down and one up, then the next thing you have to do is up, then down, up, then down. This was the most confusing thing. So see this, I made this in the shape and this too. And when you join this together, you will get a house shape. To make it memorize, when you join this together, you will get a house shape. See? Okay, now take one paper. Now turn this way. So when you turn this way, you also get a house shape like this. And the next part is how to do like this, and take this part and fold it into a triangle. It should look like a triangle. And do the other one. See? See, it looks like a horse. Okay. Okay, now let's do the same thing with the other one. I'll do it fast. One right here and one right here. Okay, the next. Okay, yeah. See, I made the two shapes. Two horses like hello, hello. Now it also makes a perfect house shape. See? It looks awesome. Now we have to take one. And we have to fold this right here. And let's see. And we have to fold this right here. Yeah. One more time. Right here. So you'll take a triangle type. I think it's a diamond, right? A diamond. Okay, whatever shape it's called, like this shape. Now let's do it the same thing. Okay, I just put these two shapes. See? They look cute. Oh, cute. Now it's time to make them into mine. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now what you have to do is take one shape and you have to fold this shape slowly so you make this shape. See? Like this. And you have to place firmly like this. Got it? Now take this and slowly tuck it into this spot. So I tucked it in. We'll look pretty colors together. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay, now take this part and put this under this part. here. It looks something, I don't know. Okay, now you have to take this part. I'll take, and I should put this in this part. Place it firmly so it stays nice. And this part in this one. Place it firmly in there. Whoa, it looks pretty colors. It looks amazing. Okay. Who wouldn't like to play with that?